हो वैसा
And that's it. He's absolutely a director's actor. I've never seen Sir question the dialogue, the scene, whatever he this is a scene and that's it. He will do it.
राइट
He will do it, and that's what I've seen.
मतलब मेरे को इनकी सेट पे आना पड़ेगा. इट्स लाइक यू गो टू अ नाइस रेस्टोरेंट, कहते हैं ये डिश कैसे बनाई, कहता है ये डाला. सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट नहीं बताऊंगा, वो सिर्फ इन दोनों के साथ ही रहने वाला है, मेरे को लग रहा है.
And another thing that so I have seen so with him he will not start so okay one shot is done and he didn't get what he wanted. Any actor, okay, me, Harshali or any other actor, he would not start the sentence with not that. He will say like kuch nahi hai, nothing, just this. So he will simplify. He'll just simplify the whole thing for you. Hey, no tension, nothing. Just do this.
Right.
That's it. So that whole modulation of we'll be thinking, oh my God, we have to do this, is what we always go in that, oh my God, how will I achieve that? He is like, nothing, just do this. So that whole thing just puts, that feeling in our head is, okay, this is achievable.
Wow.
This can be done. So this is how he starts. And even it is a bad shot, first thing he will say is good. Okay. But I know when it is a okay shot, because his cut will be, you have seen his action, right? I heard his action, right?
Yeah.
So same way, his cut is also.
What is it? Tell us.
No, I don't.
Please do it. Samyukta, kuch bhi chalega.
Okay. So
when he's not happy and when he's happy.
Okay, now let me go all in. I cannot just keep not talk about my experience in this film. So imagine that if there is a fight sequence happening, we are shooting something, sir, or we are shooting something. He'll be like, achk. Sorry. Good. All the sounds goes on. Now the actors who are doing it will be in the vibe. Now they know what sound, what punch we have to give. We will also be full, everybody will be pumped up just by listening to his thing. And imagine that we are doing another scene where we have to give a dialogue. For that also you'll give sound effect.
Okay.
Yeah. Background music. Which is not disturbing. I am someone in any other set, I'll be like, I want silent, clear, blah. Sir gives it. This is so much fun. And then when we know it is if it is not okay, he'll be like, cut it, good ma, good. But this, okay? If it is actually a good shot, and he is like, cut it! that full high, he'll be like, cut it, move on, next camera, book, that's it. Now we are like, playback, no. Sorry. I wanted to say अच्छा क्या?
Next question. मैंने कॉमेडी फिल्म से भी किया भाई नितिन भाई, ऑल द बिग हिट्स करवाते रहे मुझसे कॉमेडी.
मैं यही जानना चाह रहा था कि कुछ ऐसा रह गया जो अभी और करने का.
नहीं, वो आएगा, वो कैरेक्टर्स खुद मुझे ढूंढ के आएंगे. See, we all are blessed, that's all. वो ढूंढ के आएंगे मेरे लिए. मैं किसी का भी प्लानिंग नहीं करता हूँ साहब. बस जो डायरेक्टर डिस्कशन है दूसरे से, जब इनसे और दूसरे डायरेक्टर से में एक फर्क है. दूसरे डायरेक्टर से जब बोलता हूँ मेरा सब्जेक्ट देता हूँ, लाइन बोलता हूँ मैं, ऐसा ये लाइन है मेरा, उसको चाहे वो कुछ भी चेंज करने दीजिए, पहले वो रिकॉर्ड कर लेते मेरा. ऐसा ही जो बोल रहा हूँ अभी भी आप देख रहे, थोड़ा गर्मी हो रहा है,
मजा आ रहा है,
अभी
कड़क हो रहा है,
मजा आ रहा है. You are making us comfort, like you made us comfort all during the shooting. So मैं एक लाइन बोल देता हूँ, ये ऐसा, ये पटरी पे जाएंगे, अब ये मैंने कभी नहीं किया, करना बोल के है मेरे को, मैं बोल देता हूँ. इमोशन वो सब रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, जो सीन्स में इमोशन में बोलता हूँ ये वो सब बोल देता हूँ, पूरा रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं. अपने तरफ उन लोग चेंजेस करते हैं, उनको ट्रीट करते हैं अच्छा, बहुत जबरदस्त अच्छे राइटर से, डायरेक्शन वो सब टीम वर्क होता है. मैं ना नहीं बोलता हूँ उसको, मैंने ऐसा बोला था, ऐसा क्यों चेंज किया, ऐसा नहीं, बट आई हैव टू गेट सैटिस्फाइड. वो जो बोले वो भी मुझे पसंद आना चाहिए. So I'm very lovely, happy to work with a few directors. I don't act with many numbers directors. I have my selected directors. I act only with them who totally understand me and my temperament in the temperature,
While-
on the sets
Yeah.
and everything.
हर्षाली